Best affordable scope on the market right now, and it's less than 500 quid. Let's have a proper look, shall we? So this tiny little scope here, eyepiece viewfinder, is one of the best I've ever seen, and I've used military grade standard optics over the years, and this, for that big, absolutely tiny. So what does this actually come with? Well, you've got a nice fancy hard cased box. Inside, your instructions, do read them, they are important. You've got a nice fancy lovely carry case, a charge lead, a lanyard, and a nice cleaning cloth too. This Hawkeye Ai15 is like super great. You know, it's less than 500 quid like I've already said, but it's also got a charging doodah on the front, and it records in video, 4K, I think it's 4K allegedly, and it takes photos, it takes stills too. It's, I mean, literally a no-brainer, isn't it? What do you think?
Yeah, absolutely. From what we understand, these things are quite expensive on the market.
Yeah.
So we were really impressed with the price. I mean, you can't really beat that, can you?
Not at all. I mean, it's got an adjustable eyepiece here. You see that going out? It's fantastic. So for people that wear glasses and things like that, yeah, you can just get the diopter, which is what this is called technically, the diopter further away from your eyes, so it facilitates for glasses. On the front here, there we go, you can move this is your focusing ring, and I'll tell you what, it's so easy, it's so quick as well. That's like focusing far away, focusing up close, it's that quick. But more importantly, because I'm a bloke, I love my tech, and I want to know what female perspective is.
Well, as a lot of you know already, if you've been following the channel, I'm not really a gadget person. I mean, we've had quite a few gadgets that Mod's absolutely loved and enjoyed playing around with. Me, not so much. But this, however, I did quite like this. I thought this was a bit of fun. You know, we had a bit of a play around with it. And I mean, yeah, I can kind of get on board with the boy toy thing. I do see its value. However, I have had to convince Mod that maybe it's best not to keep it, because our bags are pretty tightly packed as it is, and we really wouldn't find a use for it, as we don't tend to walk around much at night. We usually cozy down and bunk down in our tent.
Well, we're not hunting for ourselves, are we?
Exactly. So, you know, so personally for us, it's really not something that we're going to make much use of. And so we figured, as we usually do, it's a giveaway. However, we already have a person, or should I say a couple, in mind to receive such a gift. You're in our members and you were recently married, so consider it a wedding gift. So congratulations to Dean and Shelley's Wild Camping. You know where to contact us. Get in touch, let us know where you want us to post it, and we'll get it sent out to you.
Yeah, you guys are absolutely awesome, and congratulations on your new wedding, and may the rest of your days be just as good as the last however many years you've been together. Is absolutely awesome.
And thank you for your support, and thank you for being a member for as long as you have. We appreciate you.
Back into it, shall we? So what we're going to do now is we're going to test this bad boy out. We're going to show you how easy it is to actually disappear, and yeah, just basics, So when you remember this video, you remember that one when you were saying, oh, but what about thermal? Well, let's have a look at it, because thermal is the top dog out of everything, you know, over night vision, infrared and all that jazz. Thermal.
Let's see how it performs.
So as you can see here, Tara is red hot. See the body? Awesome. Then dog is there. See, he's been messing around. So he's nice and hot too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get Tara to basically go into the bush, and I'm going to get her to disappear for a second. So you see, as Tara gets behind that bush, and now she's gone down low, you can only see a tiny bit of the red hot, and she's pretty much disappeared. So that's the first technique. Just keep low and behind foliage at all times. Now Tara's up and about, and dog is moving about there. Right, there she is. So as you can see, whilst you're trying to look round for Tara, you see her there? She's pretty much undetectable. Now Tara, if you touch that and put it onto your head, so now you can see Tara moving around. Yeah, and that tarp is actually touching her skin, or even just her clothes. So anything that touches clothes is a bad no-no. You see how it's getting worse there? That's Tara breathing. But as long as you are not touching the inside or the outside of your tent or a tarp, you'll be absolutely fine. We'd like to pause the video here to give thanks to all you buy us a coffee lot.
Thank you very much. We really appreciate your generosity there.
Yep. And if you do like our channel, go over and check out this guy. I'll leave it up here or here. Walk Cook Walks. He's only a small channel, but man, he like cooks outside, and he's basically a very busy man. He likes to make brews on his other channels and things like that. So
and a winner for us is always a good personality, you know.
Yeah.
We do like people that have got a great sense of humour, and this guy seems to be spot on.
Yeah, you're brilliant, man. And yeah, never go out into the woods without a backup beer, right? I remember that. Anyway, Cully, let's get back into it, and thanks again.
Thank you.
So there's a little bit of daylight magic. Can you see Tara anywhere? Now I'm going to keep walking up close until I get there, and we'll see if we can see Tara at all. Ah, see, now look, it's dark, it's low profile, but the tarp is allowing her just to disappear a little bit extra just inside this little nook and cranny here. So I come back 8 feet, that's 8 foot. You see what I mean? I'm going to come back, because out in the field, a working distance for me is about 20 meters. That's operational distance. Can you see where she is? That there is my bag, but you can't see Tara. Tara, do stand up for us. There she is, see? So yeah, in regards to when we say low profile, keep that profile low, even just in that hedge line, you couldn't see Tara at all. And Tara's very warm, very, very warm at this time of day, for instance. So that just goes to prove, whilst it's still warm at this time of year, you can disappear very, very quickly. Quite reasonably so. And even sometimes just with that simple tarp. So if the old choppers were coming out to get you, you can disappear very, very quickly. It's just a bit of the foliage, isn't it?
Yep, just a bit of foliage and that low profile, as Mod said.
Yeah, perfect every time. Even with this Hawkeye, I mean, you've got the red hot, but also Tara's on red hot now. You've got all these other different settings. Things like this, the old Predator look. You've got the old green and red look. That's a bit more Predator-like, isn't it? You've got your typical police helicopter looking gear. You've got your other much lighter gear. You see how Tara's face is black on that one, and dogs, so that's black hot. When you're looking through the scope, I'll give you a nice little box up there, see, so you can see what you're doing. And on here you've got screen modes, so you can actually go through them. We can go and outline with Tara and the dog. What I'm going to do is take off this picture in picture. So now I've taken off the picture in picture, we can go outline with them. You've got a city and forest mode. There you go, there's your forest. Rainforest mode. Well, that's a nice one, isn't it? You've got bird watching mode too. I mean, these are quite fancy. And you can also take off your colour palettes on the side menu here. So white hot, black hot, and so on, you see. Always love that one. But it's a superb piece of kit. For under £500 as well. And that's one of the main reasons for this. The Hawkeye Ai15 by GT Guard. Yeah, bloody awesome bit of kit. Absolutely awesome. I would say whether you're hunting, shooting, stalking, even animal watching, it's rutting season right now, and the stags, the deer, yeah, definitely the best time of year. If I got some footage, I'll put it in. If not, go over, have a look at them, try it out, buy it. It's a steal. You cannot pick them up any cheaper than this at all. Professional grade, and usually they cost about 1,300 quid. I would say it's a complete steal. So if you have enjoyed this video, do remember to give us a like, subscribe and share us around and all that hype jazz, whatever you want to call it. It is the hype button, maybe. You go over and check out GT Media and this Hawkeye thermal scope. Yeah, I mean, if you've got the money and you've got the need and the use for it, what an absolutely great piece of kit, isn't it?
Oh yeah. For a woman to be impressed with, especially this woman, yeah, I reckon that you're in for a win if you can impress me with a bit of kit like that.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, down in the description there is all the specs and all that jazz, and yeah, thank you to GT Media for sending us that, and hold up our end of the deal. And Dean Shelley, I hope you enjoy it too. So until next time, happy hopping.